Hi everybody, hello, what an exciting day it is today. Today I can show you the new release by Esther for Elizabeth Craft Designs, and it's La Dolce Vita. How wonderful. It's, as you can see, it's got these glorious shades of tealy turquoise, beautiful plummy purples and creams. This is the nicest one that I've had so far, and I've pretty much loved all of them. So let's have a look and see what's in the paper pack. It's not a pad, they're separate sheets. You get 12 double-sided sheets, 24 designs and one inside cover, or you can cut those out and use those. It's 250 GSM. But it doesn't feel unwieldy, you know, it's a good weight. It's a really good usable weight. So let's have a look through. Look at those. They're just journaling cards. The journaling cards, back them, ink around them, job's done. Perfect. And this one, I mean, look at these. And as if that wasn't enough, there's 2 new journal covers. Planner covers come out. There's this one. Look at that. Look at the embossing on that. How beautiful is it? So there we have it. That's the inside. So that's that one. I'll show you the other one in a minute when we get to the appropriate page. Beautiful. I love that one. And then the checker on the back. Then this, which is plain but textured, so usable, these ones. And then we've got this, really useful little things to add to your planner or your journaling. I love these. I love all of them. I will use all of these, which is a shame because then I can't use that. We'll see. Maybe I can use half and half or something, I don't know. And this is my idea of heaven. It's turquoise. I love the colour. And it's this sort of flourish type look to it. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. And on the back of that, we've got a fairly plain creamy colour. As I say, once again, it's so useful. You know, it's got hints of things that you can sort of see. Lovely. And then this, who doesn't like a good number? Perfect. Yeah, cut those out and use them. Cut 3 together or whatever and use them. Really lovely. And look what's on the back. Spotty dotty. Look at this gorgeous lime colour. Oh yes, I love it. And then here we've got all these words, and yes, there's one there that I'm not going to be saying out loud because it's a bit rude. But there's lots of, really usable words. And of course they're the right colour to go in your planner or your journal. So the thought's gone, been taken away for you. And then you have these. It says, ain't no place quite like this. So you can write what you want to write for the record and currently. And then you've got these fabulous little tags here. Circles, you name it, it's been thought of. And that's on the back, which I absolutely adore. Anybody that knows me knows I love this colour. It's just, I love the textures. I just love it. I love the white space around the edge. Yes, we know you like it. And then this, it's another kind of background paper. You can see everything that's on it. You can even read it. But it's very much in the background. Really, really usable paper. And then we've got this green with the sort of slightly damask flourish on. Oh my goodness me. You can see why I love this one. And then this. Look at that colour. It's the perfect colour. And to go with that, we've got another new journal cover. This one. This is beautiful, and it's smooth. You know, it's got no embossing on it. But look at the inside. Oh yes, look at that. So 2 new journal covers for you to go with this set, or with anything else that you want to use it with. And then here, yeah, text. I mean, we all love text. It's just brilliant. Love that page. Love it. And look at this. It's a collage, but it's got these very, very pretty focal points on it. So cut that out whichever way you like, and you will end up with lovely things. You know, there's a journaling card there, there's a tag here, journaling card there, or just use it as a piece and cut it out to the size you want. It's gorgeous. You couldn't go wrong. And on the back, how gorgeous is that? I don't have words. I haven't got words for how much I love this. I absolutely adore it. And then there's the checky one. Camera's playing funny tricks with that one, but it's that colour. Beautiful. And look at that. The flourishy one. Oh my goodness, I'm going to have so much fun with this. So much fun. Then this one. I'll just show you them because I'm running out of words. And a very usable plain, relatively plain, slightly distressed, which I really like. Then this with text, stripes, and the sort of plainer turquoise one. And this one. This is lovely. Really lovely. Oh, I want to get cracking with my project now. So those are the papers, aren't they? Aren't they? Oh, they're fabulous, fabulous. Let's find somewhere safe to put them. That's a challenge. Okay, so let's move on to the stamps. It comes with stamps and dies. So here we have this stamp set. Have we got a sheet of paper? Yeah, here we go. And this is all about books and reading. And there's a little girl with a book there, and on the back of your stamps you get the die to cut her out. So you can stamp her, then cut her out with your die cutting machine. Is that what it's called? I can't remember. But the stamps, I mean, they're all useful in as much as they relate to the topic of books, but they're really useful for all sorts of things. All sorts of things. Beautiful. So that's the booky one. Then this one, it's another one that comes with a die, and it's these paint tubes here, and that's the die to cut those out, which is really useful. It cuts the 3 of them separately, so you don't have to use them as a block like that. You can move them anywhere you want on your page. Just use one of them, whatever you want to do. And just really lovely, usable stamps. Oh, one that even says journal. And this says, La Dolce Vita, creative life. Yeah, I like that. Yes to this, good stuff. That's so useful because you can make it any colour you want to. And that, the reinforcement, also really useful. Make it whatever colour you want to. And it won't add bulk. You know, sometimes you get bulk where you've added all your reinforcers on every page. You won't get it with this because you're just stamping it. So that's that one. Then we've got this one. Lovely day, yes to this, documented, director of looking busy, chillaxing, find your perfect somewhere. This one, departures, arrivals, gates. Look at this, it says, look at this, which are perfect. You know, if you've got a thumb hole in a pocket to put a tag in and you want to pull it out, these will go around that thumb hole perfectly. Really add interest. This week, favourite moment, Yeah, even a little round one. What does it say? Amsterdam. It's got a date as well, but I can't quite read it. And then this one. Now these little stamps, you could find a gazillion uses for these. You really could. Only the address on this side of Centre Broad. I won't go through these individually. We've got bugs. We've got people that we've seen before. There's the aviator lady, the camera people. So we've got things that we've seen before, but yes, stamps, so useful. And then we get all the dies. So let me show you the dies that you get. These, it's got to be said, they're very much like Tim Holtz stencil chips, but you can make them in any colour you want. And I cut some out so as you could have a look and see what they look like. So that's what they look like. So you can, I cut mine in grey. I just thought it would be quite a nice, you'd be able to see them quite clearly. But, you know, there they are. They're just wonderful. They'd be really nice if you cut them out of, say, craft stock or something like that. I cut mine on double-sided, so I can use them, you know, just peel the double-sided off. But that's them. I think they are probably one of the best die sets ever. Really, really good. And of course you get the waste out of them as well. So I didn't want it to go to waste. I kept all my pieces that came out and mounted them on there, which is a piece of Avery where I've had labels. So I've put them onto there, and then when I want to use them, I can peel them off and use them. So those are really useful, but that version of them is also really useful. You get numbers as well. I mean, a fabulous die set. Like I say, I think it's my favourite die set that I've ever had the pleasure of introducing you to, at any rate. Just so useful. You know, you can take your, one on the ground, you can take your sandpaper to it, distress them up, whatever. Really nice. You do get all the numbers 1 through 9, including a 0. You get a blank one as well, which is good if you want to put something behind these, have a different colour showing up. I just can think of a million ways that I'd want to use these. Really, I can. Glorious, glorious set. And then this one. Now this is an interesting one, isn't it? And then you get 2 pockets, page tabs, hearts, little tab. This is an alphabet and numerics here. And then these 2, which are like paper clips that go over on top of your page. You get the 2 pockets. But let's see what I cut out of this. Yes, how do I get in? Here. You can tell I really love them because I've taken care and time with them. So let's have a look and see what you get. There we go. So that's the bit that I said to you, isn't that interesting? It's like, I can see that as a page edge or even a belly band. It's gorgeous, isn't it? The detail on that is amazing. And these, which are, as I said, like little paper clips, and you put them onto the, well, side of a pocket, top of a page, anything like that. Isn't that lovely? Isn't it really, really lovely? These are the 2 pockets that you get. This one and this one, which is slightly larger. Oh, come on. It's so annoying when you can't pick anything up. It's beyond annoying, actually. There we are. So you get 3 little hearts, which are sweet. the page pull, this tag here, a label I should say, that's the blank out the label in case you want to cut it out of a different colour. That's another paper clip, works in the same way as I've just shown you. So you could put it on top of a pocket, on top of anything, top of the page, or anything you like. I just think they're really clever, those. And your two pockets, which are the same width, just that one's deeper than that one. So that's another really nice and fun set, isn't it? I love that paper edge strip, however you want to refer to it. I just think that's really useful. Come on. So there's two sets of dies that you get. Glorious. And this one, this is kind of all about celebrations, and I think you can see everything without me taking everything out actually. A pocket, labels, a little file folder, really cute little file folder, reinforcers, labels that cuts out that shape, beautiful, stars, and then this pocket that cuts out a star and a circle, beautiful, and a pocket. I mean, there's so much on this. And then celebratory things, you know, bottles, wine glass, foaming beer tankard, just lots that you could really use. And then this one, which has got this gorgeous big arrow in it, which I absolutely love. It's my favourite. Summer, 3 smaller arrows. I haven't cut too much out of that actually. And words, remember, travel, awesome, joy, summer, and 2 flowers. Yes, I love it. Love it. And then this one, yeah, well, photo strip, perfect. Words, vibes, sun, a smaller photo strip which I've never seen before ever. I think that is so useful. I could use that a million ways right now. A pull tab which you could put on the top of there or anywhere that you fancy. That's actually got a circle there, so that would go on top of that. And then this, which would go directly into your planner, and it has got a file folder-ish type bottom top to it, and it would cut you out half a page, which is really nice. And then we've got that flower, and hello, photo and story. Just a wonderful set. A wonderful, wonderful set. You'll find my link to these underneath this video. If you follow the link and go to the ECD site, there is a discount for following my link. I do get slightly recompensed, so you know, if you do that, thank you. But what a kit, isn't it? What a fabulous, fabulous kit. I love it. I love everything about it. So there we go. I shall be starting really soon on a project using these papers, putting them in a planner, and using the dies and the stamps as well, of course. So thanks for joining me. I hope you're as excited about this as I am. I'm just beyond excited. And I'll see you really soon. Take care, everybody. Bye.